Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to teach you how to align the Sparx Sharpener. If you're new to home skate sharpening or you're looking to get a new Sparx, let me tell you a little bit about it first. The Sparx Sharpener 2 basically comes ready to go right out of the box. I'm in my second full season of using this one and it's nothing short of impressive. Once you have the machine assembled, you're going to want to perform an alignment. The Sparx Sharpener doesn't require realignment with every pair of skates, and you don't need to realign the machines when you're changing grinding rings, and you don't have to align the machine anytime you change blade thicknesses. But you are going to want to align the Sparx Sharpener during your initial setup, and I like to check mine after I bring it out for the season, or it's been rattling around in the back of my pickup truck on a road trip. First thing you'll do is open the door. Grab these two tabs on the outside, pull them towards you, and lift up. You hear the ready tone, and the carriage automatically moves to the install position. Now, I'll cover up the light so you can see better, but you're going to want to loosen the thumb screw and remove it, and take whatever grinding rings, if there are any, out of the machine. Next, you're going to grab the alignment ring with the Sparx logo facing out, and you notice the little groove in there, and you're going to place that in and tighten the thumb screw hand tight. Now you're going to grab the two tabs again and close the top. Now we have to place the included optical alignment tool inside the machine. You're going to place it with the Sparx logo facing you. Just press down the clamp over on the left hand side to open up the jaws, and the tool drops into place and self-aligns. And then release the clamp lever. Now the next step is where the magic happens. Just press the alignment button that looks like a bullseye, and this sends the carriage to the alignment position. When the carriage is in place, you hear that tone, and the case will light up white. Now we're going to grab the included Sparx Torx driver. We're going to insert it into the front of the machine and place it in the alignment wheel. Now we'll look through the optical eyepiece, and we'll turn either clockwise or counterclockwise to align the tab with the center of the alignment ring. Once we have everything aligned, we'll pull out our Torx driver, and now all we have to do is remove the alignment tool by pressing down the lever, pulling out the alignment tool, open the machine again, remove the thumb screw, replace with the grinding wheel of your choice, and retighten the thumb screw hand tight. Now we close the lid, and we're back in business. I sharpen all my kids' skates to a 1/2 inch, even my goalie skates. I prefer a 3/4 inch on my goalie skates, but there's no need to realign every time you swap to a different grinding ring. And once you're all set, it's ready to sharpen. I have 4 kids playing hockey, and since we're in Minnesota, I dabble a little myself. And I can sharpen all of our skates in less than an hour, and that way my 4-year-old can skate at peak performance to become the next Tony Twist. So if you like these Sparx videos, just let me know, and I can do more videos to help you get the most out of this pretty stellar contraption. If you're on the fence about a Sparx Sharpener, I'll put a link below so you can check out more info. And as always, thanks for watching.